everyone, my name is Sarah Starziak and I'm a product manager here at SICK. Today, I'm going to be showing you our new DTEC configuration module, or DCM4. On this hardware overview page, you notice I have my sender and receiver light curtain connected to the DCM4 module right here. We have our system connection going to power, and then also we have our USB-C connection connecting to our safety designer software. I also have a selector switch to change between operating modes. Today, we're going to show you about our reduced resolution advanced function. What it allows for is objects to be in the protected field while being in a safe state. You'll notice here, if I change my menu, we can get a live view of the light curtain. When I insert my object into the protective field, you'll notice that it is still in a safe state. As you can see here on the screen, I am allowing an object of up to 6 beams to be in the protective field, but I'm only allowing one object. So say if someone reaches in during an operation, it will then enter an unsafe state, and this will then trigger a reset requirement. This function is great because we don't require the object to be in the protective field. So here I just removed it. It has the option to be inserted or not. It's perfect for press bake applications or any applications where you may be feeding material into or out of a hazardous area.